craft. You enjoy the word, have fun, be happy. Happiness in life is only with handmade items. The other craft.
Thanks for staying with me, how to craft. You are a 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 craft. We are a craft. Join us, children, youth, adult, old people. Thanks for staying with me, how to craft.
You enjoy the word, have fun, be happy. Happiness in life is only with handmade items. The other craft.
Thanks for staying with me, how to craft. You are a 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 craft. We are a craft. Join us, children, youth, adult, old people. Thanks for staying with me, how to craft.
You enjoy the word, have fun, be happy. Happiness in life is only with handmade items.